In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom and control orientation in Falstad applets. If you're working in Falstad's interactive simulations and want a clearer view or need your components oriented just right, this walkthrough will make the process quick and predictable. Let's start with the primary way to zoom. Put your cursor over the circuit area and use your mouse wheel. Scrolling up zooms you in and scrolling down zooms you out. The zoom naturally centers around the location of your cursor, so a helpful habit is to hover directly over the part of the circuit you want to examine before you scroll. That way you don't lose time panning around after each zoom. If you find the zoom too fast or too slow, try shorter, gentle scrolls for more precise control. Some Falstad applets also offer dedicated zoom buttons. Look to the control panel on the right side of the screen. When available, you'll see zoom in and zoom out options. Clicking these provides a steady, incremental zoom that's perfect if you prefer fine steps or if your mouse wheel isn't convenient. If you don't see these buttons in your particular applet, that's normal. Just rely on the mouse wheel method and you'll get the same results. Now about flipping components. In Falstad, there isn't a universal flip button that rotates or mirrors any part with one click. Instead, orientation is determined by the direction you drag when you place the component. Think of it like drawing a short line to tell the app which way the part should face. For example, if you drag from left to right when placing a resistor, it lays out horizontally, left to right. If you drag from right to left, it still becomes horizontal, but its connection points follow that right to left direction. Drag upward to set a vertical orientation, and downward for the opposite vertical direction. If you place a component and realize it isn't oriented the way you intended, the simplest fix is to remove it and place it again, this time dragging in the direction you want. A small, deliberate initial drag is enough to lock in the orientation before you fine-tune the position. Pair this with a quick zoom in for precision, and you'll get exactly the layout you're aiming for. To recap, zoom with your mouse wheel wherever your cursor points, use the right side zoom in and zoom out buttons when they're available, and set component orientation by the direction you drag during placement. With these fundamentals, navigating and arranging your Falstad circuits becomes fast, controlled, and frustration-free.